What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your country on the Amazon app. If you've recently moved to a different country, or you're just traveling and want to shop using the local Amazon store, you can easily switch your region within the app. Start by opening the Amazon app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, tap the second icon from the right, which looks like the outline of a person. This will take you to your account page. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a small flag icon, along with a 2-letter code representing your current language and region. Tap on this flag icon. This opens up the country/region and language settings page. At the top, you will see the option to change to your country or region. Tap on it and you'll get a list of available Amazon marketplaces like the US, UK, Italy, Germany and more. Select the country you want to switch to. After selecting your country, you can also choose your preferred language and currency. Once everything looks good, tap Done. The app will refresh and your settings will now reflect your selected country. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.